Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best budget gaming laptops of 2021. So without any further ado, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Acer Swift 3. The Acer Swift 3 is not a laptop you'd firstly think of when thinking of a gaming laptop, but in reality, it is actually a good way to light game on a budget. The build quality and design of this laptop is one of the best in terms of looking sleek and stylish for a medium price. The Acer Swift 3 has a full aluminum body with different color options. To give the laptop more of a character, it also has a striped textured finish all over that looks very neat, and it is actually quite regular to see that on a more expensive laptop. The laptop has a bit of heft to it and is sturdy and rigid with little to no flex on the body. Even with the materials used, the Acer Swift 3 isn't very thick or heavy at all, and it just weighs in at 1.35 kilos and is around 15mm thick. The display on this is a 14-inch Full HD IPS panel, but this panel is very good. It offers accurate colors and contrast, great viewing angles, and good brightness. This display is good enough to a point where you can edit on this and wouldn't have to worry too much about the colors, and gaming is really good too. The performance on the Swift 3 is also solid. You get a AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the AMD Vega 11 graphics. These specs are good for a thin and light ultrabook style laptop, and for most work, even of mid-range intensity, would be doable on this without much hassle. Overall, the AMD Ryzen and the fast SSD allow for a very smooth and quick workflow. Battery life is also best in class on this at more than 10 hours of medium usage, which is absolutely excellent lifespan. Number 4 on the list is the Lenovo IdeaPad L340. The Lenovo IdeaPad L340 is still one of the best deals for a laptop at $650. The build quality and design of the L340 is really good and is great for people who aren't into traditional looking gaming laptops. The laptop has a very simplistic look with a plastic and metal combo build and a brushed metal design on the back. The laptop has a black and blue color scheme that is clean, and it is pretty thin and light as well, especially considering it is a gaming laptop. The display on this is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with accurate colors, good viewing angles, and great sharpness. The panel is good to look at, and even editing is doable here because of the color accuracy. The specs on the laptop are its selling point, and they include an Intel Core i5-9300H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. Even though the CPU on this is a few years old at this point, it still performs great, and it can run games without bottlenecking the GPU. Regular performance wise, this is great as it is able to do most work quickly and without many slowdowns. Overall, if you want a simpler looking laptop which is able to game and edit at 1080p, this is a very good choice. So number 3 on the list is the HP Pavilion Gaming 15. The HP Pavilion Gaming 15 at less than $700 is one of the best performing gaming laptops at its price, and this laptop is a sweet spot for people who want to get into gaming or editing but don't want to spend that much. The design and build quality of the HP Pavilion is some of the best on a gaming laptop in my opinion. The laptop is made of a combination of metal and plastic and has a very angular gaming look to it with sharp edges and a matte textured finish to complete the look. It comes in black with gold accents on the logo and red colored RGB on the keyboard. Overall, it gives off this very unique look that is quite nice to look at. Another great thing is that the laptop isn't even thick or heavy at all when compared to other gaming laptops, and it is very manageable. The display on the laptop is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with deep blacks, great color reproduction, and good sharpness. It isn't the best display ever for gaming due to the very average 60Hz refresh rate, but the colors, sharpness, and viewing angle make up for it in some way. Overall, it is a great panel for media consumption and is good for editing as well. The performance on this is the biggest plus point here. The specs on it include the AMD Ryzen 5 4600H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. At this price, getting performance like this is insane, and this is excellent value. This laptop will easily be able to edit 1080p videos without a sweat and perform every task quickly. Gaming is not a problem due to the decently powerful GTX 1650 GPU, which will be able to run most games at 1080p with more than a playable experience. Number 2 on the list is the Asus TUF A15. The Asus TUF A15 is a great gaming laptop at $750 that can be a great solution for a powerful laptop on the go. It has excellent battery life, a good display, and very good performance. The build quality of the TUF A15 is quite good even with a plastic build. It has a new gunmetal color that looks pretty clean and has this military look to it that I personally think looks quite good. It is not very heavy or thick as well at 2.3 kilos, and compared to gaming laptops, that is pretty solid. The only negative for this build is the flimsy lid that won't be much of an issue as this doesn't have a touchscreen. The display on the laptop is 15.6 inch Full HD IPS panel. It is very good with thin bezels, good brightness, accurate enough colors and contrast, and good viewing angles. The 60Hz is the only downfall on this as it doesn't offer an extra advantage of having a high refresh rate. Specs on the laptop include an Intel Core i5-10300H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. These are quite good for a laptop that offers other benefits like a good display, a thinner body, and long battery life. You'll be able to perform any task on this with ease, and the GTX 1650 Ti allows for 1080p gaming at high settings. So number 1 on the list is the Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 is yet again a very popular gaming laptop, and in terms of an overall gaming laptop, it is one of the best. The Acer Nitro 5 has a design that is subtle but still has the gaming touch to it. It has a black plastic body that is surrounded by red aluminum accents that is a bit overdone by this point but doesn't look bad. Most of the lid and the laptop otherwise is fully matte, and the back has a glossy black Acer logo as the only branding outside. It doesn't have any flex or creaking on the body and is generally built well. The display on this is good. It is a 15.6 inch Full HD IPS panel at 144Hz that has slightly bland colors that look average, good viewing angles, and decent sharpness. Playing games is a really great experience due to the 144Hz screen that just makes everything feel much smoother than regular 60Hz. This is the first main laptop that I'd recommend for esports gaming, and that is all because of the high refresh rate screen. The performance is another reason to buy this laptop. Its specs include the Intel Core i5-10300H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. Gaming performance is excellent as here most of the newer games should run well at high settings at 1080p. Gaming at high FPS shouldn't be much of a problem because of the GPU, and you'll be able to make the full use of the 144Hz display on this. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.